So can I start?
Yeah, sure.
Good afternoon, Miss Jessie. Thank you for your time and chances to use your Can Can Bento as our group assignment. So I will start for the technology impact on the food industry workforce. So the first is for currently the trends is no need for the cashiers and the front desk. Automation like self orders and the QR menus is replacing cashiers and front desk staff. Customers can now order and pay without speaking to anyone. This reduces the labor costs and speed up services but also decrease the needs for the basic service jobs. And the second is I think it's more focused on deliver platform management like Grab, Food Pandas, and online orderings and food deliver apps are now central to business. Restaurant need staff to manage orders, handle the logistics, and need to respond to the customer issue in the platforms. It will replacing like traditional dine-in service roles. And this is for my part, and I will pass to Yu Hang for the next.
Okay, for number 3, I think need more digital marketing skill. In today's market, attracting customer online is essential. Social media, influencer content, and online ads drive sales. Business now hire staff with skill in Instagram, TikTok, and content creation instead of just relying on physical banner or walk-ins. Now I'm passing to Tiffany.
Okay. Thank you, Yuhang. So, hi, Miss Jessie. So, thank you for giving us this opportunity to share our findings on Can Can Bento. So, digital transformation is essential to stay competitive in today's fast-paced market. By adopting to the right digital tools, your business can enhance customer engagement, streamline operations. Wait, I will share that. Okay. Where am I? Okay, by adopting to the right digital tools, your business can enhance customer engagement, streamline operations, and open up new growth opportunities. Today, our goal is to help you to understand how ready Can Can Bento is to take on new digital tools and what areas might need additional support to grow successfully in the digital space. So first thing first, I will share about the company decision-making process. At Can Can Bento, right, decisions are mainly made by you and Mr. Chai, the co-founders. So you both handle different aspects. You take care of marketing, customer relations, and orders, while Mr. Chai manage kitchen operations and deliveries. The close-knit decision-making allow fast and flexible responses, which is a very great advantage for a small startup. However, having only two decision makers can sometimes limit the bandwidth for exploring new digital tools or strategies. As your business grows, it might be beneficial to consider involving others in the decision making process to help distribute in the workload and open up some new perspectives. Next, I will share about company structure. So for your company, it is very lean and it's very straightforward. With you and just Mr. Chai handling both strategic and operational roles. While some part-time kitchen staff, their job is just to focus on cooking and packing. They are not focusing on marketing. So this is a very clear division to help to keep the operation very simple, but at the same time, they have no knowledge with digital knowledge. They have no digital knowledge, and this limits scaling digital process unless roles are expanded and the skills improved. As the business grows, it would be very ideal to formalize some rules, some other roles, or maybe to find some staffs to hand on in marketing, to focus on marketing or uh, what else? Customer operations and all those to lead a better efficiency. For management styles, I would like to share your management style. It's more hands-on and not so formal, which is kind of informal, which helps you to stay adaptable and learn on the go. However, There's no formal training and documentation on any digital tools yet for now. Only you and Mr. Chai managing the digital platforms and marketing. Well, this works for now, maybe, but as your business grow, I think building more structured process or some trainings programs to yourselves will be necessary and needed to keep the pace with digital trends and ensure the sustainability of the business. It might be helpful to explore digital tools that automate certain marketing and operational tasks, which would free up time for other strategic initiatives. So I would have more to share. I will pass this to Tika. Yeah, Tika, it's your turn to share point 4 and 5.
Point 5.
4 and 5.
So for the company culture, we have collaborate culture between you and Mr. Chai and a strong focus on efficiency and customer service. Besides, you are open to new digital tools and also actively use social media and delivery platforms, which is great for growth. However, limited time and the risk of too many apps mean that the digital adoption must be carefully managed to avoid overwhelm. This means being selective about which tools will bring to the most value to the business without causing too many disruption. It's crucial to manage this balance to ensure the right level of digital adoption while maintaining your company efficiency. And for the reference, it's PwC's Digital IQ Survey for SMEs. And for the 5th point, we have skill set shortage. This is your last main skill gaps are in marketing, content creation, and using your customer data efficiently. You also face time and budget constraints, which limit your ability to explore advanced digital tools or analytics. Besides, the kitchen staff do not currently engage with digital tools, which might be another area to focus on in the future. And also, future upskilling or role expansion might be beneficial to address these gaps. And these challenges are common for small businesses navigating digital transformation stages, but they also can be manageable with the right strategies and ideas. And for the summary, Can Can Bento is already a good path with active use of digital platform and a strong founder involvement. So your digital readiness is currently around 3 out of 5, meaning you're using basic digital tools but haven't yet adopted advanced system on formal process. There's also a great opportunity to expand on your current success by addressing your skills gaps and formalizing training programs, and also carefully managing the adoption of more advanced digital tools. By doing this, Can Can Bento will be well positioned to thrive in a more digital world in the future. And yeah, that's all from me. I'll pass it to Nicole for the next part.
Thank you, Tika.
Miss
And now I will share 3 strategies to elevate Can Can Bento success. Let's get started. First, fix delivery delay with real-time tracking on Grab and Foodpanda, plus optimize routines for lunch and dinner. Like Domino, use WhatsApp or Instagram update to cut complaint and retail customer. Next, launch a point-based loyalty program. Use order history for personalized offer like 10% discount on flavored teen Starbucks. This will keep customer coming back. Lastly, team up with TikTok and Instagram influencer for virtual launch in a can. Video with GrabFood links. This will attract young customer and boost sales. In summary, tracking loyalty and influence will transform Can Can Bento. Thank you. Any question?
That's all from us. So, Miss Jessie, it's a Q&A session right now. Do you have any questions?
Hi. Okay, I have few questions here. The first question, how do we assess if we are truly ready for digital transformation?
Okay, I think for this one, I could answer your question. So I think you are already on the right track since you are using some very basic digital tools, right? Like social media and some digital platforms like Grab, Foodpanda, Shopee to see if you are ready for more, right? I think you need to ask yourself if your current tools are helping you efficiently and if it's enough. So if you feel like something that could be done faster or efficiently, then it's a sign that digital tools could help. Right now, I would say you are like a 3 out of 5, like Tika mentioned just now, doing well, but there's room of improvement with more advanced tools like CRM or those.
Okay. Second question, what are the main challenges we should expect as we move forward with digital transformation? Can you hear my question?
Yeah, sure. Anyone could answer this? Chi Cheng?
Uh,
Mao.
just now a bit like I can't hear the questions.
Okay. I repeat one more time. What
Okay.
are the main challenges we should expect as we move forward with digital transformation?
Oh, so I think the biggest challenge is you might face include learning the new tools, managing the chances, and chances can feel overwhelming. But the key is to take it slow, start with one tool, get everyone used to it, and go from there. I also suggest you keep a close eyes on your teams and feedback to make sure the tools are actually helping and not creating extra stress. Thank you.
Yes.
Any more?
The last question. With automation replacing cashier job, how should business handle employee resistance to this change?
I think business should focus on upskilling employees instead of replacing them. For example, like a cashier can be trained to manage online orders or assist customer in using kiosks. And also open communication and providing training opportunity will help staff see the technology as a support tools, like not a threat. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, Ms. Jessie. So do you have any more questions?
No.
Okay, thank you so much. That's all from us. Thank you. Okay. Let me stop.